I'm taking a video.
Hello, my name is Colin, and I'm writing a sentence. Okay.
Okay, what's the sentence gonna say?
The zebra said to the lion, "Why do?" And then you roar, and I'm just gonna do it. And then I'm gonna illustrate. Take a long video and you see what's happening. Okay.
Okay, what's the next word you need to write?
Okay. A zebra said to the lion, "Why do you roar? Why do you roar?"
Then
Should I put an exclamation mark?
you would do a question mark.
How do you write a question mark? Like this, or like this?
Yep, like this. It's kind of a squiggly line. It's like this. Here, let's do it like this way. Like that.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I can't do it right.
It's okay. And now you're supposed to use the word then, right?
Should I make a capital?
Yeah, because a question mark ends a sentence.
Then. Oh yeah, TH. Make. Yeah.